Where's the remote?
Remote same of remote control.
2,
Is there anything good on?
3,
Can I change the channel?
4,
I've already seen this episode.
5,
This is a rerun.
Rear and same of an old episode that was already shown on TV previously.
6,
I love this show.
7,
There are too many commercials.
8,
Stop channel surfing.
Channel surfing same of changing the channel quickly.
9,
Check the TV guide.
The TV guide has the information about the TV programming and schedule.
10,
It's the season finale.
Same of the final episode of the season.